तो संदीप ने इंग्लिश ऑनर्स फाइनल ईयर की परीक्षा दी है। वो अपने कैरियर के बारे में सलाह लेने के लिए प्रोफेसर कौशिक के पास आता है जर्नलिज्म से रिलेटेड। तो देखिए इसमें क्या होता है। गुड मॉर्निंग प्रोफेसर कौशिक। गुड मॉर्निंग संदीप, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दीज डेज? वेटिंग फॉर द रिजल्ट सर, एक्चुअली आई केम टू सीक your advice on what career to take up after graduation. You are doing English honors, isn't it? Yes sir, but I am not interested in MA English. Could you suggest me some professional course I can do after my graduation? Professor Kaushik कहते हैं, What about journalism? I think you have a flair for writing. Yes sir, I have also been the editor of the English section of our college magazine. Some of my articles have also been published in local newspapers and magazines. Well, in my opinion, journalism is a good course for you. What is the duration of this course, sir? 2 years, but simple journalism is not enough. I suggest you should go in for a specialized course in print media, electronic media or advertising. All these branches of journalism have very good job. What kind of job will I get after that? You can work for magazine and newspaper or TV after you have gained 5 to 6 years of experience. You can also work independently as a consultant. Which institute do you recommend for the course? Both Delhi University and Jawaharlal Nehru University offer a variety of courses in journalism. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan also has a good reputation. Thank you very much, sir. I think journalism is the right career for me. And now there is also a student who is asking about computer career. Rohit, good evening sir. Good evening Rohit, how are you? Fine, thank you sir. I need your advice on what career to take up after 12th. What are your subjects? Science, non-medical. Don't you want to be an engineer? Actually sir, I am not expecting very good marks. It will be difficult for me to get admission in an engineering college. What about business? Have you given it a thought? No sir, I don't think I have an aptitude for business. I see. Have you done computers at school, Rahul? Yes sir, it was a part of our syllabus. Are you interested in computers? Yes sir, I find computer quite interestingly. In that case, you can go in for a career in computer. Could you suggest me some course, sir? There are variety of computer courses offered by Delhi University and various other computer institutions. You could go in for a diploma courses in computer programming or opt for a specialized course like secretarial or handwear courses. Now, what is the duration of these courses? Diploma courses are mostly 2 to 3 years duration, but in case of short-term job-oriented course, the duration may vary institute-wise. Could you suggest the name of some institute, sir? All major universities offer courses in various branches of computers. Among the private institute, NIIT has a very good name. Besides Aptech, Uptron, Brilliant also offer diploma course with good job prospects. Sir, I can draw very well. Is there a computer course where this ability of mine can be utilized? Yes, of course, you can do a diploma in graphics and animation. Thank you very much for your guidance, sir. I think I should join a computer course. Well, we will meet in next video.